Have you ever wished that something as simple as a small evening snack could quietly work inside your body while you sleep, repairing tired eyes, sharpening memory, and giving your brain and vision the nourishment they need? Imagine lying down at night, knowing that the food you just ate is fueling natural healing and protection as your body restores itself. It may sound almost magical, but the truth is, nature has already provided this gift in the form of 3 remarkable dry fruits. These aren't exotic or expensive superfoods. They're everyday foods, often sitting in your kitchen cabinet, that older adults can easily add to their evening routine for lasting benefits to both eye health and brain function. Stay with me until the end, because once you learn about these dry fruits, you'll never think of your bedtime snack the same way again. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment below. Your support allows us to keep sharing simple, natural, and science-backed tips to protect your vision, sharpen your memory, and support healthy aging. Now, let's begin. For many seniors, 2 challenges often arrive hand in hand: declining eyesight and memory lapses. Over time, the delicate cells in the eyes and brain are worn down by what doctors call oxidative stress, an imbalance caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Left unchecked, this process damages tissues, leading to blurred vision, eye dryness, macular degeneration, or even diabetic retinopathy in the eyes, while in the brain it shows up as forgetfulness, slower recall, or cognitive decline. The good news: certain nutrients, especially antioxidants, omega-3 fats, and vitamins naturally found in dry fruits, can counter this stress, nourish your cells, and slow down age-related changes. That's why the first dry fruit I recommend for your nighttime routine is the almond. Almonds have been celebrated in traditional medicine for centuries, from Ayurveda to ancient European herbal texts, often described as food for the brain. Modern science confirms this wisdom. Almonds are particularly rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields the nerve tissues of both the brain and eyes. Research published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease 2014 found that higher dietary intake of vitamin E is linked to slower cognitive decline in older adults. Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science 2012 noted that for vision, vitamin E helps protect the retina against oxidative damage, which is one of the leading causes of age-related eye disease. Here's what this means for you in practical terms. Eating just a small handful of soaked almonds before bed is like giving your brain and eyes a natural protective shield. As your body rests, almonds deliver nutrients that help repair cells, preserve memory, and reduce oxidative wear and tear in your eye tissues. Many seniors who add almonds into their daily routine report not only feeling sharper in the mornings, but also noticing less eye dryness and fatigue, common complaints in older age and in conditions like diabetes. But here's an important tip: soak your almonds overnight. Soaking softens the nut, making it easier to chew and digest, especially important for seniors with sensitive teeth or digestion. And it also reduces natural compounds like tannins, unlocking more of the nutrients for absorption. So instead of reaching for heavy snacks at night, try 5 to 6 soaked almonds. It's a small, simple step with a big payoff for both memory and vision. Before I move on to the second dry fruit, let me pause and ask, are you finding this information useful so far? If yes, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with a friend or family member who could benefit. These small actions from you make a big difference and allow us to keep spreading natural, evidence-based advice for healthier aging. Now, let's continue. The second dry fruit I want you to consider is the walnut. At first glance, you'll notice that walnuts naturally resemble the human brain. And interestingly, they are one of the most powerful foods for brain health. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which are essential for maintaining the fatty membranes that protect brain cells. These healthy fats improve communication between neurons, supporting sharper memory, stronger focus, and better mood stability. For seniors, this is especially important because age-related decline in brain function often coincides with a lower intake of healthy fats. But walnuts don't just help your brain. They're also incredibly beneficial for your eyes. The omega-3s in walnuts help reduce inflammation and dryness, common issues in older adults, particularly those with diabetes who may struggle with reduced tear production. Scientific studies in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging 2015, reported that regular walnut consumption improves eye moisture and provides protection to the retina, the light-sensitive layer of the eye. In simple terms, eating just 2 to 3 walnuts before bed gives your body the fuel it needs to keep your mind sharp and your eyes more comfortable. Meanwhile, research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2012, highlighted omega-3 fatty acids as protective agents against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. And we're not done yet. In the next section, I'll reveal the third powerful dry fruit, a food that's often overlooked but carries incredible benefits for both memory and vision. Don't miss it, because this one may surprise you. But before we move forward, let me gently remind you once more. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these dry fruits do you already enjoy, and have you noticed any benefits? Your feedback not only helps this channel grow, but also encourages other seniors who are searching for natural ways to stay healthy and independent. As we were saying, walnuts are truly a powerhouse for both brain and eye health. Think about this for a moment. Your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and a significant portion of that structure relies on omega-3 fatty acids. This is exactly why adding walnuts to your evening snack can be such a valuable habit for seniors. Scientific studies back this up. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging, 2015, found that older adults who regularly consumed walnuts performed significantly better on memory tests and had stronger cognitive function compared to those who didn't. Imagine how meaningful this can be in daily life. Something as simple as a walnut helping you remember names, conversations, or reducing those frustrating senior moments of forgetfulness. But walnuts do even more. They are naturally rich in melatonin, the same hormone your body produces to regulate sleep. Many seniors struggle with insomnia or disrupted sleep patterns, which in turn worsens both brain and eye health. By enjoying a few walnuts before bedtime, you're not only nourishing your nervous system, but also preparing your body for a deeper, more restorative sleep. And when your sleep improves, so do your memory, mood, and even eye comfort the next morning. In essence, walnuts act like a nightly reset button for your whole system. Another fascinating aspect of walnuts is their role in circulation. They contain arginine, an amino acid that supports nitric oxide production and improves blood flow. Why does this matter for seniors? Because good circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach your brain and your eyes efficiently. Poor circulation, common in individuals with high blood pressure, diabetes, or vascular issues, can directly reduce mental clarity and impair vision. By supporting healthy blood flow, walnuts provide long-term protection for these two vital organs. Now let's turn to the third dry fruit, often overlooked but surprisingly powerful, raisins. Yes, those small, naturally sweet dried grapes many of us enjoyed in childhood snacks. Raisins may look humble, but they are packed with antioxidants, polyphenol, and essential minerals like iron and boron that directly benefit both memory and vision. Research in British Journal of Nutrition, 2010, for the eyes, raisins' polyphenol help reduce oxidative stress in the retina, lowering the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in people over 50. For seniors living with diabetes, raisins are especially interesting. Despite their natural sweetness, they have a low to moderate glycemic index, meaning they provide a slower release of glucose instead of sudden spikes. In fact, a study in the Journal of Nutrition, 2014, found that consuming raisins improved glycemic control and reduced post-meal blood sugar compared to processed sweet snacks. This steady release of energy not only protects vision, but also supports brain function. When it comes to memory, raisins offer something unique, boron. This trace mineral plays a key role in calcium metabolism and brain cell communication. Studies published in the Environmental Health Perspectives, 1994, noted that adequate boron intake was associated with sharper cognitive performance, better motor coordination, and improved memory. Many seniors I've worked with have shared that when they replaced heavy evening snacks like cookies with a small handful of raisins, they not only felt lighter at night, but also woke up with noticeably less mental fog. Here's a simple tip you can apply right away. Create a bedtime mix. Combine 5 soaked almonds to boost vitamin E, 2 walnuts for omega-3s and melatonin, and a small handful of raisins for antioxidants and boron. Soak the almonds earlier in the day to soften them for digestion. Crack open the walnuts for freshness, and pair them with raisins for a natural touch of sweetness. This gentle combination is easy on your digestion, fuels you steadily through the night, and works like a quiet repair kit for your memory and vision cells while you sleep. But remember, moderation is key. Eating too many dry fruits at once can overload your digestion or add unnecessary calories. For most seniors, the right balance is about 5 to 6 almonds, 2 to 3 walnuts, and a small palmful of raisins each night. That's enough to reap the benefits without discomfort. If you're finding these tips helpful, pause for a moment and click the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a loved one who also wants to protect their eyes and sharpen their memory naturally. Small actions from you go a long way in spreading this knowledge to others who may need it most. So let's reflect. By simply eating these 3 dry fruits before bed, almonds for vitamin E and antioxidant protection, walnuts for omega-3s and brain support, and raisins for antioxidants and steady energy, you're giving your body a natural, safe, and effective way to restore itself at night. No complicated supplements, no expensive treatments, just consistency, patience, and the quiet power of nature's foods working for your health while you sleep. In this final section, let's bring everything together and see how almonds, walnuts, and raisins don't just work individually, but as a powerful team. I'll also guide you through practical bedtime routines, portion adjustments for diabetes, high blood pressure, or digestive concerns, and explain why timing and consistency matter. When it comes to nutrition, health is never about a single nutrient. It's about balance and synergy. Almonds, walnuts, and raisins complement each other beautifully. Research in Journal of the American College of Nutrition, 2005, almonds deliver vitamin E and antioxidants that shield the brain and eyes from oxidative stress. Research in Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging, 2012 also showed that walnuts provide essential omega-3 fatty acids and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect brain cells and improve memory. Research in Journal of Food Science, 2014 also showed that raisins, with their polyphenol and iron, help reduce retinal oxidative damage and lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Together, they form what I like to call the night repair trio. Think of them as a team of night shift workers, restoring, nourishing, and protecting while you sleep. In Frontiers in Nutrition, 2017 science supports this idea. The body's repair processes are most active at night, and giving it antioxidant and omega-3 rich foods before bed enhances these natural rhythms. Let's also consider daily habits. American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2016 showed many people reach for fried snacks, biscuits, or sweets in the evening, but studies show late-night high-sugar or high-fat snacks worsen sleep quality and cause next-day fatigue. By swapping those with a small bowl of soaked almonds, walnuts, and raisins, you're not depriving yourself. You're fueling your body for repair. Here are some practical steps you can follow starting tonight. 1. Portion control. Stick to 5 to 6 soaked almonds, 2 to 3 walnuts, and about 1 tablespoon of raisins. This amount provides nutrients without overloading digestion or raising blood sugar. Moderation is especially important for diabetics. Nutrients, 2019. 2. Timing. Eat these 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Research in Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine, 2013 shows that eating too close to bedtime can interfere with sleep quality, while light, nutrient-dense snacks can improve it. 3. Consistency. Regular consumption is key. Most people notice improvements in 3 to 4 weeks, as supported by studies showing long-term nut consumption enhances memory and reduces age-related cognitive decline. 4. Health adjustments. For high blood pressure, walnuts and almonds help due to their potassium and magnesium content, which support blood vessel relaxation. Hypertension Journal, 2019. For diabetes, raisins in moderation provide steady glucose release instead of spikes. If you're on blood thinners, consult your doctor before major diet changes, since walnuts improve circulation. 5. Hydration. Don't forget water. Even mild dehydration worsens eye dryness and mental fatigue. A glass of water with your dry fruits keeps digestion smooth and your eyes hydrated overnight. When we look at the bigger picture, these foods are effective because they work with your body's natural repair cycle. At night, The body regenerates tissues, consolidates memory, and flushes toxins, providing the right nutrients, antioxidants, omega-3s, melatonin, and minerals, helps this process run more efficiently. For seniors, this approach is empowering. Instead of relying solely on costly supplements or fearing decline, you can take control with something as simple and natural as a handful of dry fruits. This ritual is rooted in tradition, validated by modern science, and reinforced by real-world results. So the next time you prepare for sleep, remember, a few almonds, walnuts, and raisins may be the most powerful bedtime medicine you'll ever take. Gentle, nourishing, and effective. As we wrap up this video, I want to leave you with a powerful reminder. True health is built in small, consistent steps. It's not about drastic overhauls or complicated routines, but about simple habits practiced day after day. Something as easy as choosing a handful of soaked almonds, walnuts, and raisins before bedtime might seem minor. Yet over the weeks and months, this one small ritual has the power to reshape your mornings, sharpen your memory, and protect your eyesight well into the future. Think about it this way. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. By feeding it vitamin E from almonds, omega-3s and melatonin from walnuts, and antioxidants and natural iron from raisins, you're giving your brain and eyes the exact tools they need to restore, recharge, and prepare you for another vibrant day. This is why I call them nature's night repair trio. Because together, they quietly support your body while you rest, acting like a gentle team of caretakers working through the night. So tonight, as you prepare for bed, pause for a moment and ask yourself, will I give my brain and eyes the nourishment they deserve? A simple yes could mean fewer foggy mornings, clearer vision, steadier memory, and a more energized tomorrow. If this video has been helpful, I'd love for you to join this growing community of people choosing natural, science-backed ways to age stronger. Subscribe, hit that like button, and share your own experience in the comments below. Whether you've been enjoying these dry fruits already or you're planning to start tonight, your story could inspire someone else to take that first small step toward better health. Thank you so much for watching and spending this time with me. Remember, your memory and eyesight are treasures worth protecting, and nature has already provided powerful allies to help you. Take care of yourself, sleep deeply, and I'll see you in the next video.